皆さんおはようございます。
おはようございます。撮ってるよ。
Bom dia, José Batista here. Holy.
Pula.
And we are in Niigata. So.
こんにちは。
皆さんこんにちは。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。
お昼ございます。
お昼ございます。So we thought we were gonna do some snowboarding today in Niigata, but the conditions are pretty rough. Snowing like hell. It's freezing like hell. Let's see what we do today. It's freaking cold. I feel like shit. But we came to the highest place in the mountain. So there's no other way to get down. So we came to Maiko Ski Resort in Niigata Prefecture. Finally have some fun. Let's do this. So we just came to our hotel. It's time to get dinner. So they are getting our dinner ready. Itadakimasu. Bon dia everyone, day 2 of our banter. Seems like I'm getting my voice back. And actually I feel like shit, so anyways, let's do this. We are at the highest peak in Maiko Mountain. So before I die trying, let me tell you something. Check my Instagram channel as I post there daily. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and hopefully see you in the next one. Love ya.